So right now we are in Phuket beach. So we are still waiting here and we are going to the Phi Phi Island. So let's enjoy. It's raining here right now. So right now we are at Phi Phi Island and this is the most beautiful island in Thailand. And you have seen this island in many Hollywood movies as well.
Hello baby, how are you? How are you?
So it was a wonderful day at Phi Phi Island and now we are going back to Phuket because we are staying there. So this is all about today. See you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.